Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. And today I'm gonna show you a model kit box review for Russian MiG-15 from Airfix. Vintage model kit from 1978. Very simple model kit. I will show you the different skin color. Very simple in silver and black. Um, Two versions available, one for Soviet Air Force MiG-15 and one for Polish Air Force Lime 2 because it was built under license at this time. What's in the box? Very simple. This one, the decal sheet, not bad for ages. For Soviet Air Force and the other one for Polish Air Force. The document for building, just one part, nothing behind. So you have the instruction, special instruction here, and general instruction. It shows only 5 steps, as you can see. Very simple to build. Don't forget to add noise if you display with landing gear. If you don't display landing gear, you have a plastic pedestal, and we will see now with spare parts. Yes, this one. Okay, so wings, main parts, fuselage here. Not lots of details. And some spare parts here and one pilot. Great, so thank you to watch my video and see you all again. Bye.